on our way up Buck Mountain. Okay, got to be nearing the summit.
Look, it's all flat.
Because it's flat. It's beautiful. Buck Mountain. Top's got to be coming up.
Oh, lay down.
Where's that airplane? Whew. Buck Mountain.
Woo!
On Did You Weekend.
Treasure Island.
We gotta hit that next. That looks gorgeous.
Yep.
Man, is that steep. That's the Sagamore. Where'd it go? There it is.
This is beautiful up here.
But he can't wait for the car.
That's Anthony Marino on Did You Weekend.
Yes.